Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, and I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so if you want more clarity you can watch that reading. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. So we have Death, Postulant of Stars in reverse, Apprentice of Spheres in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing great changes the way circumstances are proceeding. Your perception is changing. You are a different person today. You have learned your lessons in your life. Maybe you would have faced some difficulties in your career that has changed you. And though you may feel that it is stressing you or making you little anxious, these changes, but you are seeing a hope and a new beginning in your future. You are seeing positive changes. So these changes are giving you a new direction in your life, new direction in your career, or it may be a new direction in your personal life, in this relationship. So it is making you change the way things are going. Truth is coming out. You have a better understanding with this person. Maybe you would have felt that things were not going as you had expected. You would have felt a lot stressed or troubled because this person you love, they were not telling you the truth. Maybe they were exaggerating on a few things, they were putting on a mask, and you believed them and you believed certain emotions to be true. But now you know the truth. Now you know what is the reason for their behavior and why they did not reveal certain things. It may be certain situations from the past, from their past, something they were trying to hide from you. But today they are telling you the truth. You know everything. You know the reason for their behavior. And maybe your person has something worrying them. It may be an illness or some bad habits. And you do not like this person, trying to indulge in your day-to-day affairs, trying to control you or trying to dominate you. That again may be the reason for some troubles. So this person is, maybe they are dominating or they are quite bossy with you. They are bossing around, trying to control you on certain things, on certain decisions. Maybe because they believe that they are the ones making the right decisions and they want you to listen to them. That may be the reason for their behavior, Taurus, but you do not like them doing that to you. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It's Ace of Sons in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, there are good changes coming in your relationship. Maybe if you just understand your mistakes, or it can be their energy, if they understand their mistakes, things are going to change. Your relationship is going to take a U-turn. Maybe today you may see misunderstanding, lot of troubles because of lack of understanding, but if you are able to realize what went wrong, what was the reason, or it may be their energy, if they understand their mistakes, everything is going to change today, Taurus, in your relationship. And you should think twice if you are making any important decisions. You must think twice before proceeding. That is going to help you a lot in this love. So we will see what is the card for your career circumstances. It's 3 of stars in reverse. So with this card, maybe in your work you may see some delays, something may not work as expected, some confusion may be there, but you need to hold on to hope for a better change. You should not lose heart. That is what I see with these cards, Taurus, for y'all today. So that is the reading for y'all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. For those who chose this card, the first card, we have Tambulina, expectations. So in your circumstances, there are people who may not know your worth. They may not understand your true qualities, but you may feel that they are not really friendly with you and maybe even rejecting you. But you should not lose heart, you should not lose hope, and you should not lose people who really care for you along the way when you feel stressed or when you feel a little low or sad, because there are people ridiculing you or rejecting you for being different. So each and every one of us are unique, and you will find the people who love you for your uniqueness, who will understand you, and you will find people like you who will love you as you are. And you need to face the challenges in your life with an open mind, as an opportunity to learn something, to opportunity to learn a lesson. And maybe people will not value you if they do not know anything about you. So this may be the time for you to find people who appreciate you for what you are, finding your soul family, people who are loving you and caring for you deeply, truthfully. And this card speaks about that friendship and that kind of relationship. And you should not lose hope, and you should not feel rejected or sad for what is happening today, because there is no one like you and you are a unique person, and you will find the love you need and you expected. That is the energy with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it's Hematite. It's a crystal spirits card. With this crystal, the energy is that in your circumstances, maybe you are taking someone for granted, maybe a friend or a family member, and we are always thinking of the negative aspects in our life, maybe some problems or some dangers, and we often forget the wonderful qualities our friends or family members have, and we tend to take them for granted. And maybe today it is time for you to express your love, express that your gratitude towards those people, maybe friends or your partner, showing them your love and kindness and showing your happiness for their presence in your life, because relationships are the strong rock on which we can rely on during difficult times. So these people are the foundation that support us, and we should not forget them. We should nourish these relationships. So this crystal spirit just asks us to express our love and kindness, maybe saying a thank you to our neighbor and doing some things to our friends, whatever they love, just to show our gratitude for their help and for them being with us in this life. And this crystal spirit just asks us to express our love and appreciation to people who are close to us in our life. So that is the energy here with this crystal spirit card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.